Today, I'm going to demonstrate on how to draw a large arch. The tools I'll be using is a framing square, also a T-square, and a straight edge. I need to draw a rectangle that represents the length and the width of my arch. I'm laying out a 3 foot by 1 foot rectangle. I label my corners as A, B, C, and D. Now I'm going to find the center point between corners A and B. The length of my rectangle is 36 inches. So half of 36 inches is 18 inches right there. Label my center point as E. I'm drawing a perpendicular line from point E to point F. I'm using my framing square to draw a line from A to F. I'm drawing another line from B to F. I'm measuring and marking the center point between A and F as G. I'm measuring and marking the midpoint between B and F as H. I'm extending my center line. Now I'm finna place my framing square at point G. I'm coming at a 90-degree angle off point G, which is right here. And we're gonna move over here to our center line and make a mark. Same thing on this side. My framing square is coming off point H at a 90-degree angle, and we come over here and make a mark. This is the center of my arch. I'm getting the distance from the center of my arch to point F. I'm gonna use that for my tremor points. I'm making my tremor points. I got one tremor point at the center of my arch. I'm gonna put my marker at my second tremor point. Let's create our arch. Temple builders.